Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. This question has been taken from Olympiad Pathfinder, Chapter 12, Multiple Choice Question number 5. The question says, two equal point-like positive charges A and B are fixed on the y-axis, equidistant from the origin. What can you say for the net electrostatic force on a small electrically neutral rod placed on the x-axis as shown in the figure? There are four choices. We have to solve and select the correct choice. Let us solve. These 2-point charge, positive charge, are located or placed equidistant from the origin. So means from origin, if we take origin as O, so this if this is at y distance, then this charge will also be at the y distance. This rod was initially electrically neutral, means there was no charge on it at all. But what will happen because of these two charges, these two positive point-like charges, the charges will induced on this rod. Negative charge will come closer to this positive charge, so this will come on this side, and consequently the positive charge will appear on the farthest side of the rod. Positive charge will attract the negative charge with force Fc. These two forces will be equal in magnitude because the distance from the charge to this rod end is same, identical. Same way, this positive charge will have a repulsive force on the extreme end of the rod, and this force has been shown as FF, F subscript F, that is farthest side. These two forces again will be equal in magnitude because the distance of this end from this charge and this charge will be same. Nothing has been given about the Q charge, the Q positive charge. So we have assumed that this positive charge is having a value Q, small q. The rod length we have assumed that it is L, though in the question it is given it's a small rod, but nothing has been mentioned about its length. So we have assumed that its length is L. X, we have considered that on the x-axis this rod has been kept x distance away from here to here, x distance away from the origin. The nearest end is x distance away from the origin. For the convenience, we have assumed that capital Q is the magnitude of negative and the positive charge respectively appear due to the induction. At the negative end of the rod, so now you can see that this is being attracted, this end because of negative charge is being attracted towards the positive point charges. This force will have two components, one in the vertical direction. Since these forces are equal, so the component of force in the vertical direction will be same but opposite in direction. So this will cancel out. The same here for FF. But the horizontal component will add up to each other. Same way for FF. It means there will be a net force in the x direction. So let us write the expression for that. Summation of force in the x direction 2ff sine phi. Phi is this angle as you minus fc sine phi, and we will put the value of sine phi and sine theta. So this will be coming like this. You will reach finally to an expression this. Here you are not, nothing has been given about the small q, that positive charge. Nothing has been given about y, where this positive charge was kept from the origin. Nothing was given about x. Nothing is given about L. Even if we assume some value for x and y and put it here, but we don't have the value of L. So without knowing this value, we cannot say what will be the outcome of summation of fx, whether it will be positive or negative. So we have only right answer which we can say is appropriate is the information in this question is not sufficient. Therefore, the answer should be D. So hopefully you understood the concept of solving this question and reaching to a conclusion why the information is not sufficient. In case any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will explain. Thank you.